There's a specific kind of tension in the air when Apple decides to break its own rules. And right now, the rumors surrounding the iPad Mini 8 are doing exactly that. For years, we've treated the Mini as the forgotten child of the iPad lineup, a niche device for pilots, gamers, and note-takers. But as we move through 2026, the data leaking out of Cupertino suggests a radical shift in strategy. Apple isn't just updating the Mini. They are reinventing what it means to have professional-grade power in the palm of your hand. Imagine a device that disappears into your jacket pocket but possesses the raw computational defiance of a desktop workstation. We're talking about the integration of the A19 Pro silicon, a chip built on a refined 2-nanometer process that shouldn't technically be possible in a thermal envelope this small. Yet, here we are, looking at schematics that suggest Apple has solved the heat dissipation puzzle using a microscopic vapor chamber system borrowed from high-end gaming rigs. This isn't just a tablet. It's a warning shot to every other manufacturer that the era of compromising power for portability is officially over. The display is where the true obsession begins. For the first time in the history of the small form factor tablet, Apple is reportedly moving to a tandem OLED architecture. This is the same dual-layer technology that debuted in the Pro models, designed to deliver eye-searing brightness while maintaining a battery life that feels almost infinite. Imagine 1,600 nits of peak brightness on an 8.3-inch canvas. The blacks aren't just dark, they are absolute. The colors aren't just vibrant, they are calibrated to a degree that makes the world outside the screen look dull by comparison. But the real hook that will keep you glued to the rumors is the implementation of ProMotion across the entire line. The jelly scrolling issues that plagued previous generations haven't just been fixed. They've been obliterated by a 120 Hz refresh rate that makes every swipe feel like liquid. When you hold this device, the interface reacts before you've even finished your thought. It creates a psychological loop of responsiveness that makes it nearly impossible to put down. But why now? Why is Apple pouring this much innovation into the Mini in 2026? The answer lies in the shifting landscape of artificial intelligence. We are entering the era of Apple Intelligence 2.0, where your device isn't just a tool, but a proactive companion. To run these local LLMs, large language models, without relying on the cloud, you need massive NPU performance and significant RAM overhead. The iPad Mini 8 is rumored to jump to 12 gigabytes of unified memory, a move that would have been unthinkable 2 years ago. This extra headroom allows the Mini to process real-time video, spatial mapping, instant language translation, and complex generative AI tasks without a whisper of lag. You aren't just buying a tablet. You're buying a pocket-sized AI supercomputer. It's the ultimate digital hub for a world that is moving faster than ever, designed for the person who needs to edit 8K ProRes footage in the back of an Uber or manage a global business from a coffee shop in Manhattan. Let's talk about the design language, because this is where the leaks get truly wild. There are whispers of a titanium blend chassis, reducing the weight of the already light device by another 15%. It feels like holding a piece of heavy paper, structural, premium, and impossibly thin. The bezels have been trimmed down to the absolute limit of human ergonomics, giving you an edge-to-edge experience that feels like you are just holding a floating window of data. Even the camera system is getting a pro overhaul. We're looking at a 48-megapixel main sensor with an f/1.7 aperture, optimized for document scanning and augmented reality. In a world where spatial computing is becoming the norm via the Vision Pro, the iPad Mini 8 is being positioned as the primary window into that world. It's the bridge between our physical reality and the digital frontier. The battery technology is the final piece of the puzzle. Using new stacked battery chemistry, Apple is aiming for a multi-day Mini. Usually small devices die fast. Not this one. By optimizing the efficiency of the 2 nanometers chip and the Tandem OLED panel, the iPad Mini 8 is targeting 14 to 16 hours of active use. This changes the utility of the device entirely. It becomes your primary device, the one you reach for instead of your phone and instead of your laptop. It is the perfect equilibrium. As we count down to the official keynote, The excitement isn't just about a new product. It's about the realization of a dream we've had since the first iPad. True, unbridled power that fits in one hand. Stay tuned, because the iPad Mini 8 isn't just coming. It's going to change everything you thought you knew about mobile computing.